Hello, welcome to Haven of Excellence. Today I just want us to discuss Science Paper 1. This question, you see, it's under General Physics, specifically measurements. So when you look at this diagram, it's a micrometer screw gauge. And the questions we expect to be asked are questions like find the reading and the like the uses and the like. So how do we come up with the reading from the micrometer screw gauge? One thing we should get to mind is a micrometer screw gauge measures in millimeters, while a vernier calipers measures in centimeters. So what is the reading on the micrometer screw gauge? We need to understand the parts of a micrometer screw gauge. So this scale here we are seeing, it is called the linear scale. And this scale here is called the circular scale. So we need to determine the reading on the main scale or the linear scale. We also determine the reading on the circular scale. Then we add them together. How do we do this? Okay, so I'm going to say linear scale reading. Linear scale reading. We are looking for the reading just before the circular scale starts. We are looking for the reading just before the circular scale starts. So the circular scale starts from here. What is the last reading on the linear scale? And we discover that it is 20. So you write your 20 here. You write your 20.00. The reason why I'm writing 20.00, it's because the reading I'll get here is going to be to the 2 decimal places. So no wonder I have put 0.00 there, here. Then after doing that, we need a reading from the circular scale. So I'll say circular scale reading, circular scale reading. What we have there is, we know we are looking for a line that crosses or that intercepts. It comes from the main scale. It crosses to the circular scale. So that straight line here, it is what we are looking for. And in this question, we are lucky because we are given the value. Sometimes we may not given the value here. You have to determine based on the values we've been given, like 25. Then you see what is there. So it's 30. So you write your 30 there. But the accuracy of this micrometer screw gauge, it is 0.01. But what does that mean? That means that these readings you see here, it means if this is 25, in the normal sense, it is 0.25. Here it is 0.26, then 0.27, 0.28, 0.29, then that's how you get to 0.30. You see that? This is what it means in other words. So we are going to, which is the same as saying 30 times 0.01 millimeters. This is actually in millimeter. So even this value will be in millimeter. So you are using a calculator on this one. It's 30 times 0.01. What you are going to have is 0.30 millimeters. Then after doing this, you need to add 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 3, it's 3. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 2 plus nothing there, it's 2. So which means your reading is 20.30. So you write it here, 20.30 millimeters. How many significant figures does the micrometer reading in millimeters have? So again, there's a topic on significant figures. So is zero after a number like this. So this zero is significant. So all these are significant figures. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a topic on significant figures, which I have another video. Subscribe and look for that video. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. So it's 4 significant figures. State one use of micrometer screw gauge. A micrometer screw gauge, it can be used, number one, to measure or to determine the thickness of hair or piece of paper State one precaution that you would take before using this measurement. So, 1, you zero the instrument. Number 2, you need to clean the instrument. But now, how you clean the instrument, you need to make sure that, because this instrument has the anvil and the spindle, those ones are supposed to be clean to avoid having wrong measurement, because the dust particles from this anvil and spindle may interfere with the measurement. Number 3, sorry, you clean the object to be measured. What I mean to clean is to dust the object to be measured. You dust off. Okay, so this is how you can determine the reading on the micrometer screw gauge. If this video has been very helpful, please subscribe or get in touch with me via WhatsApp. I'm using 0968 14 22 90. This is the line that I'm using on WhatsApp, so get in touch with me. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it.